Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me Nambi, the very exhausted and tired mum. It's 11 o'clock at night and I might look really dull, but the dish that I'm going to cook is not dull by any standards. This recipe was given to me by a Manipuri friend of mine, and I'm not sure if it's an authentic Manipuri dish, but it's absolutely delicious. It is pork with fermented soybeans. And to make this dish, you will be requiring
half a kg of pork, 2 medium-sized potatoes cubed, 2 medium-sized onions, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 1-inch piece of ginger, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 4 to 5 dry red chilies or 1 king chili or bhut jolokia, 1 tablespoon roasted cumin, 2 tablespoon dried fermented soybeans. You can even use fresh ones, but dried ones definitely taste better.
and salt to taste. Now let's get started.
In a thick cooking vessel, drop in the pork pieces and let it cook until the water from the meat is released and it dries out.
Looks like the water from the meat has completely dried out and the oil from the meat is coming out. Let's quickly pound the ginger and garlic. And dry roast the cumin and then grind it. Now is the right time to add in the ginger, garlic and the roasted cumin. Now drop in all the ingredients except the tomatoes. Drop in the tomatoes. Give it a good stir and mix it well. Add about 1.5 cups of water and set it up for pressure cooking for about 4 to 5 whistles. Or you can cook the pork without pressure cooking, but cook till the pork is tender.
Now you can add in the potatoes and let it cook for another 20 minutes. Once the potatoes are cooked, add in the fermented soy beans and cook till they are soft. The dried ones taste better, but if you don't have it, even the fresh ones will do. The dish was very normal up until the time when I added the fermented soy beans. The fermented soy beans changed the dish and brought it to a whole new level. It added a lot of depth of flavor to it and it became absolutely delicious. And voila, your pork with Hawaijar is ready.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and make yourself a pork with Hawaijar at home. Please let me know how it turns out, and also if you're new to my channel, don't just stop by. Please like, share and subscribe. Of course, this channel is all about Northeastern food, culture and everything nice. And I hope you guys are doing well at home. Stay safe and let me know what you guys are doing to kill time at home. Take care and I'll see you next week.